The keys are turning in a brand new way. A digital sunrise at the break of day. Log on to godrest.in and see the future of your hospitality. Low cost entry for a high-end climb. Saving your treasure and saving your time. The foundation is built on a solid floor. Open up the heavy industrial door. Your secrets are locked in a vault of gold. No stories of your data will ever be told. 100% security is the oath. Watching the seeds of your corporate growth. Check in and check out with a simple slide. Now wait for the loose ends to run and hide. The cloud is the ceiling, the sky is the frame. Everything changes when you know the name. Godrest.in is the engine in the dark, igniting the flame with a high-tech spark. From the guest in the room to the plate on the shelf, the system is smarter than the mind itself. Through the turning seasons, the vision stays clear, wiping away the old shadows of fear. It is the pulse of the building, the soul of the site, leading the business toward the morning light. The ledgers balance, the coins are all straight. Finance is managed by the hand of fate. But the fate is a code that is written in speed, providing exactly the things that you need. The kitchen is humming, the inventory flows. Where the stock goes, only the interface knows. From the attic rafters to the basement floor, you never have to wonder anymore. When the winter is cold and the summer is high, the artificial brain knows the reasons why. Predicting the patterns of the walking crowd, sing the praises of the data cloud. Latest technology in a steady stream. Hey, better than any merchant could dream. Registered like for a price that is small. Standing upright and standing tall. The Western and serving a digital feast. From the greatest gain to the very least. The rooms are counted, the linens are clean. Moving through the gears of a perfect machine. Godrest.in is the engine in the dark, igniting the flame with a high-tech spark. The guests in the room keep it clean on the shelf. The system is smarter than the mind itself. Through the turning seasons, the vision stays key, wiping away the old shadows of fear. It is the pulse of the building, the soul of the side.